I advise you, don't make perfect become the enemy of the good. Perfect should never become the enemy of the good. Don't wait until you are perfect. Yeah? Let me put it in a different way. If you take a risk, you might fail. If you don't take a risk, you will surely fail. Right? Because you will not move. Are we together? So, whether it is on that floor of Parliament, whether it is on any other fora, take a risk. Don't make it perfect. Keep trying. You will get it there one day. So, keep at it. I want to encourage you. Keep at it. As members of Parliament, and I say this to many, especially members of my team, or my party for that matter. I know they have heard this from me many times. Take your job seriously. You have 3 responsibilities as an elected member: to represent your constituents, to legislate in Parliament, and to oversight public resources. Many members of Parliament don't take their job of representation seriously. Understand the issues. Understand government programs. I don't have time, but I really want to talk to you guys. Now, and I'm saying this out of experience. Understand government programs in your constituency. Don't go to a meeting without knowing what you're going to say in your constituency. Umesimama hapo, umeenda tu kwa mkutano, unasimama hapo, unaongea kidogo hapa, mtu anasema unga. Unaanza kusema, bei ya unga imepanda. Mwingine anasema hapo sijui nini. Then you come out of there, you don't know what you wanted to say. Have a plan. Understand how many teachers have been hired by government in your constituency. Yeah? For example, last year, we hired 56,000 teachers. Medhu, do you know how many teachers we hired in Nyandarua? You should know, right? And you should be able to stand in a platform and say, good people, ever since I became senator of Nyandarua, we have hired 2,000 teachers. I mean, people will then say, okay, you know, members of Parliament, how many teachers did we hire in your constituency? Do you know? Many of you don't. We have data on electrification, constituency by constituency. How many members of Parliament have gone to the Ministry of Energy to find out my constituency, what is the number of, what is the amount of money allocated? When you hear me come to any county, you hear me speak numbers. It is because I take my job seriously. I read. I take time. You know, I look for information. Lakini wewe unasimama tu unaenda hapo, sisi serikali imetubagua sana. Tumekwisha. We are finished. Sasa wewe, you are the leader. And leadership, the merchandise of leadership is hope. If you start selling desperation, you are the wrong person. Nasikia mheshimiwa. So I really want to have a conversation with you so that we can help each other. Because this experience some of us have gathered over the years, we cannot package it into, we cannot sell it in a kiosk. We can only help mentor other leaders to be better than us, and so that we can have a greater nation than we do, with greater leaders in the future. Let me also say that when you have your job of representation, find out, get in as much information as you can. Know what is happening, read, get data, so that when you speak authoritatively. I have had Mukunji here say, the chair, that when I travel abroad, I should go with some of you. That is very good. Pigeni makofi huyu mjamaa. Lakini sasa ujaondoka kwa constituency yako, ujaenda the next constituency na unataka kwenda ng'ambo, unataka kwenda